channel. I hope you've had an amazing week and you've been enjoying my Halloween tutorial so far. I am like so in my element right now, doing the makeup that I love the most, which is a gory, scary SFX looks. This is another gory look. I was actually inspired by a clothing company that I have collabed with before and I'm about to collab with. It's called Mr. Gugu and Miss Go, and they have a jumper that looks like this and it's got like bloody hands all over it, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's giving me like total inspiration right now. So I literally transformed that look from a jumper and put it on my face, and I just added like kind of scary elements to it. I actually really like this look. I feel like if you guys are gonna wear this on Halloween, it will definitely catch people's attention and it will definitely make them look and be like, what the hell? But that's what we want on Halloween, right? We want to scare people. We want them to have a wow factor. We want to shock people. That's what my channel is all about. And if you guys want Halloween ideas, then you can rely on moi. And if you don't follow me already on Instagram, then please do. It's just alyshiajoness with 2 S's. You will see all my looks uploaded there. So if you want some Halloween inspiration, you can quickly just scroll through and have a look at all the recent looks that I have been doing. This look is quite easy and it is really effective, and I feel like you will catch a lot of eyes on Halloween if you do this look. Jeez Louise, I should walk down the streets like this. If you guys want to know how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I accidentally started without even showing you guys what I was doing. Silly me. But anyway, I'm using the Makeup Revolution SFX white base face paint, and I have got minimal left, so I'm just using this little spatula and I am scraping it out. I think I got the spatula from Kmart. It was in like a little makeup kit set. I'm just scraping it out and I'm going to put it all over my face, and I'm also going to start putting it down my neck. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend this into my face. Yay, I'm so glad you guys are liking my Halloween look so far, and especially last week's video on the big like mouth makeup look, the blood monster. I'm so glad you guys liked that. This white face paint is just so good. This is from Makeup Revolution and I got it from Beauty Bliss NZ, for those of you that are wondering, and I always use this, so it's really good. So now I'm taking the Super Color makeup palette from Kryolan. I think that's how you say that. I also got this from Beauty Bliss. I think it was like 90 bucks, so it wasn't the cheapest. And I've only used it once for glow up, for my bird look. So I'm using the white, which is here. And it's like all magnetic, so it can like stick. Oh no, it's not magnetic, you like press it in, but I can't be bothered pressing it in. So I'm using the white just to top up my body because all gone. Anyway, I do find that better when you just dip the sponge in and wipe it and then apply. It doesn't go as patchy, and that is the way I always do it, but I just have like none left. Oh my goodness. So now I'm applying the Makeup Revolution Bake and Finish Luxury Baking Powder, and this one is in Ghost Finish, so this just sets all the paint underneath and makes it easy to blend things on top of, and it just makes the paint like super white. So I'm taking my Mehron Makeup Paradise Makeup AQ 8 color palette. This is the one I always use. There is one that has like heaps of colors in it and it's like 250 bucks, but it's always sold out, so I'm gonna have to try and get that online. I'm going to grab some of this red. My brushes are just from Warehouse Stationery, by the way, if you're from New Zealand. Take water, because this is water activated paints, so you need to make up a little mixture in there. It's like watercolor, and we're gonna paint this on our face. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill this little section in red. Okay, so after doing these kind of creepy eyes, I'm going to do blood dripping down. Blood dripping down is always spooky, so. Okay, so I'm going down really finely. And I'm making the line go thinner as I go down. Ooh, it looks kind of scary already. Okay, so with the same beautiful red color, I'm going to paint my lips with this. I'm gonna do like some blood coming down from my nose. Now for the fun part, I'm going to paint my hands and do like hand marks. This is probably going to ruin the whole look, but... So before I go ahead with the hand marks all around my body, which is what I'm planning to do, I'm going to use the LiLash Synergy Mascara. And this comes in this pack with the LiLash, with LiLash as well. It's called the Ultimate Lash Magic. So you've got the lash serum and the Synergy mascara. The mascara is for ultra volume and it also like helps lashes grow as well, I assume. Okay, so now that the mascara's on, I'm taking the thin Lizzy Duo eye pencil and I'm going to draw in the waterline and in the tight line like up above. Put this in there. Yeah, that does look so much better this side compared to that side. Now time to do like the hand smudges everywhere. I'm going to literally use this massive brush and I'm going to paint my hand, and you have to work quickly with this because you don't want it to dry. So we're going to do one on my body, but like the whole hand. So I'm just making sure I've got lots on it. Oh my gosh. I'm going to like place it on and then smudge. Really hold myself. Ooh. Over here, I'm going to do one here. Grab and kind of smudge. Ooh, yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is darken up some of these fingerprints because I don't want it to look like it's pink. Okay, so now that that's done, it's going to get a tad messy. So I'm literally putting so much water like in this red here, so it's like dripping, and I'm gonna take this brush. I'm literally just gonna flick it on my face. Ooh. Okay, so I have my Fashion Work hairspray by Redken. Fashion work, make you work, work, make you work. Spray this in. I can't believe how yellow my hair looks after like painting myself white. It's a bit atrocious. Okay, I'm glad some red got in my hair. And then we are going to take some of that white paint from Crayolan and just kind of, ooh, this one's more intense than the other white I was using. Okay, there we go, and I'm gonna add a little bit of red throughout my head. Okay, so I was going to use white contacts, but actually I'm going to use black contacts because I think it looks so much more epic. So I'm using the contact lenses in Blackout from bodyfx.co.nz. I wish these were a little bigger. I do have the lenses that fill up your whole entire eye, which is what I want, but honestly, I can't get them in for the life of me. I think I do really like it with the black contacts, and when I upload it to Instagram, I will like fill in the white bits in black. Like, I so wish I could use my massive lenses that covered the whole eye, but I just would have no idea how to get them in or out. I think that would be a bit of a disaster. Now I'm going to put on fake lashes. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Farah lashes in the style number 12. They look like this, so really full humanness. Okay, so I just added the lashes on. I'm kind of gutted how it hides the white part on the top of the eyelid. But well, I still like it, and I think it's going to look cool in the photos with these lashes on. If you do like this look, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. If you do recreate any of my Halloween looks, then please tag me on Instagram and I will reshare them to my stories. I absolutely love seeing your Halloween looks. I'm so excited that it's Halloween soon, and I'm just like so in my element doing all these Halloween looks. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye.